Okay, so we do not have anything interesting over here. Looking further on this, we see a username and password login page. Looking on the source code,
A new follower.
we don't see anything interesting. Thank you for the follow. So I'm just gonna try to intercept the request, and since it was my guesswork and a hint from my
new
friend,
follower.
as the name of the box suggests Mango, so the backend server backend was running with MongoDB. So the box name Mango was a reference to MongoDB over here. To intercept the request. Jerry Thompson, I'm from India, bro. Phil Vasquez, what's up? I'm good, bro. What about you? So I'm just gonna try admin. First, I'm just gonna leave it as it is and see if the default credential works, but it doesn't. So I'm just going to intercept the request.
Where the fuck I am.
Thank you for liking the stream. Please do not forget to follow the page. भाई इंडिया में कहाँ से हो ब्रो? आई एम फ्रॉम जमशेदपुर. Do you play video games? Yeah, bro. I play Counter Strike, Global Offensive, Apex Legends, PUBG, and all. Gerard says, sorry for my bad connection. I see you using Kali, the worst complicated system to improve me. Do you know MS registry and the policies? Actually, there was one box which had privilege escalation using MS registries, Windows registries, bro. No, I'm not using Kali in a web browser, bro. I'm using Kali in VM. If you can see this, VMware. I'm using VMware. What is the challenge, bro? This is a Mango from Hack the Box. It had NoSQL injection in the back as it was running MongoDB. So I'm just gonna show you right now. I'm intercepting the request and going to send this to repeater. And if I just Google NoSQL injection payload all the things, okay, we can see that we have a system if we just try to change the password field as dollar not equal any which stands for not equal to, as it says over here. If we just go to password and just going to any and just try to we can see that we got a redirection. If we just follow the redirection, and we see we got into some other. Yeah, I actually did that. Yeah, if you see over here, I just did the admin bypass using the NoSQL injection. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same over here. Admin. Do the same here. Forward it. And just we can see that we got a page saying under plantation. Nothing interesting over here. Guys, if you're watching, please do remember to follow the page.
A new follower.
Thank you for the follow. Thank you, Gerard, for being a member. Bro, I actually do most of the like web part using Bub Suite because that makes the work easy for me. लाइक अभी जैसे इसमें मैंने डॉलर एनी किया तो वो तुरंत तुरंत हो गया. No, this box has no SQL, bro, not SQL, not SQL injection, no SQL injection. It has no SQL injection. How much time do you practice hacking per day? It depends, bro. I'm like I was out of hack the box. I was like out of hack the box since 3 months. The last box I did was uh, on January, and now I did a book, and there was one more box, easy box, traceback. Yeah, traceback I did like two in 2 days. Last 2 days I did those two box, and now I'm gonna go for remote, which is a Windows box, which maybe I'm going to do today or maybe tomorrow. Let's see. Okay, so now moving further, since we see that we got this page, we can extract some. So I'm just gonna use a Python script, and going to automate the steps for harvesting the passwords for specific credentials. Guys, those who are watching, please do not forget to follow the page. I see 22 viewers right now. What is your Facebook ID, bro? I'm Faisal Hussain. I'm already on your account. If you can see Faisal El Hussaini source. I will message you from my ID, bro. D Martin.
A new follower.
Thank you for the follow, John Quick. Yeah, sure, bro. You can ask me if you are stuck in any hack the box machine which I have done. You can ask me. I will help you. I will definitely help you. Only just don't ask me for the hashes and all, bro. Rest, other than that, I can help you with solving the box. There are many people who just directly ask me for the hashes.
A new follower.
Thank you for the follow, Vlad. Appreciate it.
A new follower.
Thank you for the follow, Kamal. Nowadays I'm in bug hunting, bro. Actually, I tried doing bug hunting, but I miserably failed, bro. I can't do bug hunting.
A new follower.
I don't know the method of doing that, bro. Seriously. Maybe I haven't tried enough. Like I try to do hack the box, but still. Maybe someday I can do it. Actually had this code in my notes, so I am just looking at from there.
Where the fuck I am?
A new follower.
Yeah, bro, I do CTFs. I do a lot of
A
CTFs.
new follower.
But as I told, I'm just like playing games since 3 months. And during this lockdown, I lost a lot of motivation for hacking and all. I actually want to learn programming or to with deep programming, bro, like competitive programming and all. सेम या मैंने बहुत सोचा सेम या मैंने बहुत सोचा कि था कि लॉकडाउन में करूँगा बट आई एम वेस्टिंग माई टाइम विद मीम्स एंड गेम्स। या ब्रो एक्चुअली मनुष्यत छा गई है ब्रो लॉकडाउन में। लाइक नथिंग इज फीलिंग गुड इन लॉकडाउन other than just the family being together, nothing much. No. The only thing good happening during the lockdown is nature getting better, nothing else. I hope this might work right now. I had to code this one again. Yo, Cesar, welcome to the stream, bro. Why is this not working? As far as I remember, this took a lot of time while I was doing the initial. To just recheck the code again. Neo Cesar, hello, bro. Welcome to the stream. Please do not forget to follow the page if you haven't. Just let me recheck the code once again if there are some mistakes or anything. Password.
A new follower.
Neo Cesar, thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. Everything seems to be right now. I don't know why it's not isn't working. Actually, this thing over here I'm just using from the extract data information, this bot, this, using the Regex system to extract the username and all. You can see that okay, I have one. Please, I had one code here, I didn't notice it. Let me just copy paste it and see if this one works.
A new follower. A new follower.
Until then, let me just see my code if there is some mistakes or anything like that. If not, then I will just reset the box. Thank you for the follow, guys. Yes.
Where the fuck I am?
Box is up. If this doesn't provide me with any password soon, I will just I'm just gonna just reveal the password. What was the password for each one of them from my notes?
A new follower.
Thank you for the follow. Let's see the name. The last time when I did this, I was getting password over here, one by one, like one strings at a time. So it was very time taking. I remember it very well. Try different SQL strings. Where, bro? Where are you telling me to try this different? Okay, for the time being, just to cut the time, I'm just gonna tell you the password. What was it? We actually tried the same
A new follower.
script with the two users. Actually, we try with admin and we try with a username Mango, which we do like a with guesswork. Those website actually, bro, those won't work here, over here. This web page is not vulnerable to SQL injection. Yeah, it is running MongoDB, so we have to try NoSQL injection. I'm just gonna type over here.
A new follower.
So I'm just gonna cut the time and just give the password. The password for admin was
A new follower.
So we just tried like connecting through SSH 10.10.10.162. Bye Gerard, thank you for being here. We just try the password and we see that we just get permission denied. So there was one more user named Mango. I see that now this script isn't working right now. I don't know why. I used the same script for getting the password last time. Well, we see a lot of rabbit holes and backstabbing and hack the box. So I'm just gonna type the password for Mango as well over here, which was at scale. So this was the password for the Mango user. What I'm gonna do is just try to connect to Mango. So we can see that we got connected to Mango user with the password. I'm going to share my write-up for this after the live stream, and we'll provide the link in the link down below, so you don't have to worry about the password cracking part which I did. So now I'm just going to So we just run the linpiece.sh, which is a Linux privilege escalation script. The best part about this script is if it automatically detects the privilege escalation vector. If you can see that over here, I'm just gonna show you right now. Has any one of you done the remote box from Hack the Box? If you have done, please tell me in the comment.
Where the fuck I am.
If we just go above, we can see that on the interesting SUID files, we can see that we have something with the Java OpenJDK bin.js, and since you can see that it is highlighted with yellow and red, which in the script above automatically tells that let me show you. Yeah, you can see that if there is red yellow, 99% of privilege escalation vector. The good thing about the script which I saw is this one only, which helped me in the last box for me, which was traceback. Yeah,
A new follower.
Luis, thank you for the follow. So we can just exploit JJS if I just go to GTFO bins. I try to search JJS. We can use this for getting a shell, or maybe just I will try to modify it, and I'm gonna modify this exec port. What was that? Let me just tell you the way I did. I just what I did was I just ran the way which I did was like okay, we can run this as root as an admin user. I forgot. We have to switch to admin user. Sorry for my bad, I didn't notice. We had to go to we have to be admin so let me copy the credentials of the admin user. Okay, we are admin right now. Okay, let me try to copy that same command again, or maybe just do this not this one. Actually it was like I did a trial and exec method and just got the root flag from here. This was the root flag. This was what I did actually to get the root flag just. And if you want to know like how to get the shell, I can help you with that too. Yeah, from here we can just do the root part. We can end the root part over here. But if you want to know like how to get shell and all, you can write down in the comments. Guys, you want? Okay, I'm just gonna show you. Leave it. I'm gonna use that same thing from over here. What it is? Guys, if you're watching, please do not forget to follow the page. Okay, yeah, it returned with exit code 0, so we can just exit this. And just try to do pin dash. Did we got root? Fucking type root. Nope, we didn't got root. Guys, if you have done the root part in some other way, can you just tell me down below? just set UID bit for. Or maybe I'm just gonna. Yeah, we got root. Yeah, I just forgot to use this. So we got the root. We can just go to root directory. We can see the root flag over here. Got the root, which was same. If you can see that the root flag was same as that as the trial and hit method which I did before. Let me show you. Where did I do that? I did it somewhere. For sure, I did somewhere. Yeah, over here. This one. So guys, this was the box. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Till then, I'm just publishing my write-up. Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Vishnu Spikers, yeah, bro. We can go. We can get a root at Mango. I just got it. See. For if you want to like just get a root, you can just wait. Let me show you how you can get root as root at Mango. Let me just show you. If you can see that we have a SSH folder over here, just go into it. Just remove authorized, please. And I'm just going to SSH keygen. Okay, so I created my own passphrase and I'm just gonna rename the idrsa.pub to authorized keys and just going to upload it. on the SSH. On the shell we have, we can just okay, we have it over here. I'm just going to connect it through SSH root at 10.10.10.162. Oh, I forgot to. Wait. Did I do this? Okay. Some mistake over here. It should be authorized key as far as I remember. No, it's fine. Should be authorized key only, keys only. But we are currently root over here, bro. Let me see what I did the mistake. Yeah, we got root over. I forgot to give the correct permissions, so that's why it failed before. So this is the box. If you have any more questions, you can ask me. Vishnu, you can see that I got root at Mango. If that was your concern, if you just get a root permission or something, you can just upload your SSH keys and get a proper SSH connection, which is more stable than other shells. Guys, I'm gonna just wait for 2 more minutes. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Hello George, thank you for the follow. Okay, I'm just gonna end the stream right now. Thank you guys for watching. Vishnu, thank you bro for watching. Please do not forget to follow the page and like the stream. Guys who haven't liked the stream, please do like the stream and follow the page.